What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how the Collinite 845 turns out on my
truck. Is filthy, so I'm going to go ahead and wash it first. Alright, I got it all washed up. Now it's time to try out the 845. Alright, so I just finished up right now and turned out pretty good. I mean, this is just one coat too, and probably could use another coat, but the shine's decent. I mean, the paint's not that great on this truck anymore. Have to do a little bead test. Oh, there you go, that looks pretty good, the shine. I'll do a nice quick bead test on the hood. See how it sheets off. Ah, look at that. Wow, look at that. Beads right off. That looks pretty good for one coat. Good beadage. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, and remember, keep on doing it yourself. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY.